Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore the vibrant world of crystals from A to Z, with each crystal being aligned with healing, intention and positive energy. Whether you are new to crystals or a seasoned soul, let's dive in and take a look. A is for Amethyst, a stone of spiritual growth, inner peace and connection to the crown chakra. B is for Black Obsidian, offering strong protection and deep grounding through the root chakra. C is for Citrine, bringing abundance, joy and confidence, lighting up the solar plexus chakra. D is for Dalmatian jasper, known for uplifting energy and playful vibes, connected to the root chakra. E is for Emerald, the crystal of unconditional love and compassion aligned with the heart chakra. F is for Fluorite, promoting mental clarity and powerful protection through the third eye chakra. G is for Garnet, sparking passion, strength and vitality anchored in the root chakra. H is for Hematite, offering grounding, protection and balance through the root chakra. I is for Iolite, awakening visions, dreams and deep intuition tied to the third eye chakra. J is for Jade, a symbol of prosperity, balance and protection, resonating with the heart chakra. K is for Kyanite, aligning the chakras and encouraging truth, especially through the throat chakra. L is for Labradorite, a magical stone of intuition, strength and awakening linked to the third eye chakra. M is for Moonstone, nurturing emotional healing and feminine energy, supporting the sacral chakra. N is for Nephrite Jade, inspiring transformation and harmony through the heart chakra. O is for Onyx, building inner strength and resilience, deeply grounding through the root chakra. P is for Pyrite, empowering wealth, courage and masculine energy, energizing the solar plexus chakra. Q is for Quartz, clear, amplifying intentions and healing across all chakras. R is for Rhodonite, encouraging compassion and emotional release, flowing through the heart chakra. S is for Sunstone, radiating joy, confidence and independence, energizing the sacral and solar plexus chakras. T is for Tiger's Eye, bringing courage, focus and grounding, balancing the solar plexus and root chakras. U is for Uvarovite, a rare gem of self-love, vulnerability and abundance connected to the heart chakra. V is for Vesuvianite, helping us let go and embrace joy, resonating with both the heart and solar plexus chakras. W is for White Agate, offering peace, harmony and purification through the crown chakra. X is for Xanthite, which is a form of Vesuvianite, a rare radiant crystal that supports creative flow linked to the sacral chakra. Y is for Yellow Jasper, providing energizing protection centered in the solar plexus chakra. Z is for Zircon, Hyacinth, grounding and stabilizing energy through the root chakra. Which crystal spoke to you today? Drop it in the comments and let's keep growing together. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the crystal love here on The Gratitude Warrior.